Alright everybody, here's an update on my Voodoofx light board for the Jupiter 2. I have all the resistors here on the board. I got them all soldered on, and now it will support 24 LEDs. I'm going to put some in and film it and see what it looks like. Just have this right here hooked up for a 9-volt power supply, and I got some magnetic wire over here for an LED. When I get it all hooked up, I'll film that, and my next project is going to be a sound to light unit. It's a mini kit from Wellman. It's a Wellman kit, and here's the board. It comes with resistors, 9-volt battery hookup. On the inside of the cover, it shows you a nice layout of the board. Resistors, transistors, LEDs, the microphone, the trimmer, capacitors, an electrolytic capacitor, if I said that right. And it's going to be cool. I have an idea to what I'm going to use this for, and I'll show everybody that once it's all put together. And that's the update for now for the Voodoo board and this sound to light unit. And everybody have a good day. Okay everybody, here's an update. I built this light to sound board, and going to use it for my Lost in Space robot, the new kit that came out, and with my digital voice recorder here. It's an Olympus. I've had it for quite a long time and it still works. I recorded some of the robot's voices from the first season on DVD, so everybody can get an idea of what it's going to look like once it's in the robot. And as you can see when I'm speaking, it's working right now. Comes with 4 LEDs, the mic, and this adjusts the sensitivity, I guess, to the microphone. It's pretty cool. It's not that expensive, about $5 a board. And here we go with the robot.
Exactly launch plus 8 hours. Inertial guidance system destroy. Radio transmitter destroy. Cabin pressure control system destroy.
I think that's pretty cool. With this light to sound board. If you're building the robot, maybe this is something you think about picking up. Like I said, it's like a little over $5 a board. And here's a few more sounds for the robot.
An environmental control robot is to supply all data pertinent to this particular field. Eliminate all unnecessary personnel at the earliest opportunity. Quake value 3.2. Epicenter 1,400 yards. Bearing indeterminate.
And that's the update for my light board for the Lost in Space robot. And everybody have a good day.